How to change your age on Discord Mobile. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can change your age on Discord Mobile. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So, you may have noticed that there is no way to change your date of birth on the Discord Mobile app. So what you need to do is go to your browser, such as Chrome, and do a search for Discord support, and then click on the first link that comes up in the search results. Now, click on the three lines at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then tap on Submit a Request. Then tap on the drop down and select Trust and Safety. So type in your email address next, then select Appeals, Age Update, Other Questions. Next, choose Update My Age Information. If you've registered with your phone number, you can enter it here, but this is an optional step. Next, enter in your date of birth. Then check this box here. Then in the subject box, type change of birth date. Then in the description, type why you need to change your birth date. You can type something like, I entered the wrong details when signing up. Then you can also attach any supporting documents like a driver's license, passport, ID card, etc. But this is an optional step. Click Submit. And now my request was successfully submitted. And that's all it takes to change your age on Discord Mobile. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.